Hello, my name is Noor Al-Mughni and I work as a department manager in Omega Houston office. Today, I will cover the third-party verification in Pims. Depending on the type of project you're executing, sometimes local regulations, insurance companies applied to your facility, or even financing institution mandate that a recognized certified verification agent is outsourced to undertake appropriate project reviews of a predefined scope. That could be subset documentation generated during design, fabrication, or installation phases of your project. The amount of documentation generated throughout the process and the stakeholders involved require rigorous management and oversight process. Pims does offer a solution that facilitates the process, ensuring all stakeholders are informed. Before moving to the demo side, I'd like to introduce some personas who are going to be participating in the demo. The first thing is the project owner. Owner-operator will be responsible for and accountable for completing the verification process. The contractor will be originating the documents and submitting those to the project owner for acceptance. The Certified Verification Agent, CVA, short for Certified Verification Agent, will be responsible for completing the verification for all the documents in scope and assigning a verification acceptance code per document. Pims does bring the three stakeholders into one site, allowing the project owner to submit documents directly to the CVA and in some cases allowing the contractor to participate in the verification cycle. With that, I'd like to move to the demo site. Starting with the project owner, the project owner will be able to log into Pims and see two essential apps related to third-party verification. We have the third-party verification status and the third-party verification follow-up. If I go to the third-party verification status, it will give me an overview of all the documents sent for verification to different verifiers based on the contract number and facility ID. Example, for the living quarter, I've sent 4 documents of facility ID A to DMV. And if I click on the 4 documents total, I can see the total number of documents, what date they were sent, the deadline on the verifier, what has been verified, and the verification code. And also if there is a new verification round started, like this document. This was given on the first verification cycle, code 2, and currently there is a new verification cycle running. The second essential app is the third-party verification follow-up. Third-party verification follow-up will allow the company to send documents directly to the third-party verification agent for verification. Also from this app, I'm able to look at any document and look at the details panel, where it will show the verifier who looked at this document. It looks like this document was sent for verification and the verifier gave it code 2, and I can also access the verification, any verification sheet. In order to see the documents in this app, there are 2 prerequisites have to be set up on the document profile. Let's walk through an example of one document. The first condition is there's an attribute called to be sent for third-party verification, has to be checked. And the second condition is under the distribution setup, third-party verification, you have to put the verification contract as part of the third-party verification distribution. For both distribution setup and checking this attribute can be done via batch import. Now I'm ready to send these 2 documents, for example, to my verifier DMV. And I can click send for verification. It will give me the verifier set up already in my distribution per document profile. and I can send for verification. At this stage, the verifier will get an email notification that documents are ready for them to go and verify. So now I will log in as Jane Macmillan. Jane Macmillan is acting as a verifier in DMV company. Jane will be able to see two apps related to third-party verification. The first one is third-party verification status, similar to what the owner-operator will see, but only it will include documents sent to DMV. And as you see, it's pretty much the same table. Then we have the third-party verification app, where the third-party verifier can go into the documents and start the verification process. So I see that for the living quarter contract, I've received already 12 documents from the owner operator, and I will be able to filter these based on status. For example, I can look at all the documents that are ongoing right now, what has been accepted, or anything that was returned with comments. So I can go back to the ongoing, and I can click on download files for verification. That will download a zipped folder. Inside the zip folder, I can see the documents and any supporting attachment. Once I finish my verification process internally within DMV, I am ready now to upload the verification comment sheet, as well as any supporting documents, and assign a verification acceptance code. When I'm ready to do that, I would click on Upload Verification Comments. I have an ability to drag and drop files here and associated with a document, so I can drag and drop the comment verification sheet associated with a document and then set an acceptance code. Or I can come to Upload Files and click on Upload and Assign Documents. This option will enable me to basically upload a verification comment sheet and associate it with multiple documents. In this example, I can associate my comment sheet to the two documents that I just received from the owner operator. And I can also set a acceptance code. So for the first document, I'll give it code 2, and the second document, verified. I can upload the selected documents. Once I'm ready, I can submit the files. Now if I log in back as an owner operator and I refresh my screen, I will see that the status has been assigned to the two documents that I just sent, and I can click on the actual document and go to the third-party verification tab, and I'll see all the verification cycles that have been sent to the verifier. My third cycle was just done during the demo, and I click on View File, and I can see the verification comment sheet as well as the original file. In some cases, the contractor who originated the files may want to upload a clarification to a question or comment sheet posted by the verifier. And Pims does allow you to do that by doing the following. I'll log in here as Poll Contractor. Poll Contractor will be able to see two essential apps related to third-party verification. The first one is third-party verification, and the second one is the verification status, which is very similar to what we've seen with the owner-operator and the verifier. I can see the documents that were sent to the verifier and that are supposed to be sent and how many have been sent, what is ongoing and what is accepted, etc. Also, you can go to the third-party verification app, click on the documents in scope, and then anything that has been, for example, returned with comments from the verifier, I can come in and upload a reply from my end as an originator, contractor of this document. An example of this one, this document was given code 2 by the verifier, and I can see the comment sheet uploaded by the verifier. I can clarify on that by say I want to upload supporting documentation. That will get uploaded under a file type reply to external comments. Currently, this general arrangement document will have this document as part of the third-party verification supporting files, and we can check that back in the owner-operator view. We can go back to the owner-operator view and look at general arrangements documents. Third-party verification. I can look at the view files and I will see the file that was just uploaded by the contractor. And typically this file would include the verification comment sheet uploaded by the verifier. That covers the complete process for the third-party verification in Pims. Thank you for watching the video.